What's up, guys? I am pissed off. Today was a day that I sucked. I traded like very timid. I traded pre-market actually. Um, did not do well. I mean, I traded with small size and I lost 50 cents a share after a couple trades on SLRX. After the open, this is already after. Let me see here. This is already after stuff happened. I'm down 600, but it's just a rough day. Um, the number 600 is pretty normal, but what effectively happened was I traded pre-market, didn't get as prepared for regular market hours as I should have been coming into the open. This was looking actually much better. PHIO. I ended up trading SLRX. One good trade there. Try for a continuation. Funny level 2 action. I didn't even recognize that. You can see here. Okay, here's one trade.
IBDA.
The bid and the ask are crossed. It shouldn't have been like that. That put me down $400, 65 to 45 with 1,500 shares. I mean, I was kind of just irritated. I buy a position down here. I just stop out pretty quickly, not having confidence in it. And now I'm down 600.
MSW. PCSA.
Oh man, it's annoying.
LAES. GRNQ.
ALHC.
Let me see if I can cut the feedback there.
BURU.
But then it kind of it recovers here, and so I'm like, sheesh. Do I get a position in at risk of getting roasted here again? And I decided not to. Oh no, never mind. I decided to. So it's jerking around here. It's really hesitant. It's fighting. It's fighting to die, basically. The shorts are fighting. I stop out a little bit too early. It was a good idea, but it was in a position that was very compromising if it went against me. And after having lost 500 already, I don't blame me for cutting it there. It was a difficult situation. So that's how the day started. PHIO, I miss. I stopped looking at it. I think it's done. I trade a little bit of Kappa. I could lose a little bit on that. PHIO pops up here. I mean, where could I have gotten in? Maybe. I don't know. I've gotten burned by chasing stuff like this, so I didn't get in. That would have been nice to have that pop, But it's like this very interesting level 2 action that's kind of unreliable. Yeah, it kind of goes like that. It's very controlled. And it's like hypnotizing, and you're trying to become a part of it, but what you find is that one, it goes farther than you think, then comes back and doesn't continue. Yeah. So I put an alert there, ignore it. It keeps kind of pushing here. And then, oh, fuck, what? I hit the reset button. Okay, so here, good ignore. Then it pops up. Okay, now I'm focused on it, but it's smaller size. This looks like it's heavy sell volume that it's going to close with, but nope. Oh, I don't know. It's not trustworthy. It pops to the high and then resets to its kind of, it has like a natural price it likes resetting to, the synthetic action. And it's like it lets people in really high, then, or it will respond by popping high but then resetting, popping high, popping low, resetting. Here we got a pop low. Pop low doesn't reset, actually, it just goes lower. Nice. Now apparently the natural area is 80s. This algorithm's just sitting on it. Okay. And I'm not sure where to get in here. 5 minute closes right here. It actually looks good for a 5 minute, not gonna lie. Looks good. But the selling's not over with. You can kind of tell that on the level 2. Oh. I did good here on LITM by not trading it. That was like one of my main things, was to de-emphasize the penny names. I've been losing quite a bit on those. And so I stayed focused here on PHIO. Right area to be focused in. I'm waiting for a pullback. It doesn't pull back, so what do? Do I chase it? No. Probably should have chased it. Probably should have bought that, maybe. Oh boy, this is... It's just like jumping around pretty... I just hate the way it jumps around. It just like looks gross. It looks like I'm going to lose money. So it's trying to sell here. I'm trying to find a place to buy it. I don't know where to buy it. I think I do buy it at one point here. Oh. This is some interesting volatility. I don't know. I don't really have like a chart pattern. I don't know what chart pattern this would be to buy up here. I don't know. Level 2, I'm not getting a good read on what's going on. That might have been an area down in the 30s there if I would have bought. Maybe holding because it looks like it's holding here. This would be a sketchy area. This is the real test to see if it holds. Looks like it's holding. Okay, so I'm in. Jump out. Okay. Get back in. Yeah. I mean, right where I'm trying to get out, it's just the price is just lower than where I think I'm getting out. Because I'm only looking at the ask, to be honest, and I wasn't giving it enough time. So the spread here is pretty normal, but it's just moving so fast and in such a way that that effectively the spread is more than it looks like. Buy at 50, pops to 56, starts flashing. Not in it for that. And then it's back to 50, flip to 60. I don't know, man. This is garbage action. Only in the way that, like, if you want it to be predictable and easy to get in and out, it's just difficult to. So, what can you learn from that? Well, let's take a little fast forward here. Just keeps pushing. You know, for as much as it looks like a terrible stock to trade it does, and it keeps trading higher. And it keeps trading higher in a big way. And it just seems like in an impossible way. So, for whatever that's worth, bid sometimes lagging behind here. Got to be careful on that on the exit. But I stopped trading it because I didn't have a grasp on the action. I wasn't sure which way, where it was going to go. I wasn't sure how to trade this. I'm going to have to look at other people's videos and see how they traded this because I am just sort of at a loss, to be honest. I wasn't in the moment. I wasn't thinking. I ate too much food last night. I woke up stupid. It happens. You know, just too much energy being used for digestion, I guess, not enough for the brain. It's like, what am I supposed to do? Just buy the highs here? Okay, so I buy that dip. I'm at 25. Oh, where is it? Well, now I'm stopping out. If I'm not stopping out, I get roasted. Okay. Buy the dip at 7. Go all buy this dip. Yeah, buy the dip. Waiting for it to pop up. Waiting for the pop up. It's getting pinned down. No. Gonna buy the dip again, which is not the smartest move. For some reason, I get filled up at 92. Oh yeah, because that's why I buy, because it pops up to 95. Oh, the stupidity hurts. The stupidity. I hate everything right now. Not gonna lie, I just hate it all. Stupidest thing ever. I think I focus too much on the upticks. You know, probably should just take the loss if it evaporates lower. Yeah. And then it goes up. And then I take that L, discouraged from trading it. I'm just like Debbie Downer right now because I missed this. And then it does that. I'm just like, what? I don't get it. Okay, so what happens when it does this and then it pushes up and then it's closing a 5-minute candle up like this? Well, and the 5-minute candle's looking good. I'm trying to get in. I'm looking at getting in. Then I get distracted by Kappa, and then it fucking starts going. Wow. You know? Just wow. Is that 9, basically? Then I don't take anything else, really. Maybe a little bit on the way down, spend some more money. And I was kind of just like shut down, you know. Now back down 500. I don't really trade anything else. Nothing else looks right. Kappa goes, and I don't take it. Yeah, it was. Oh, and then XIII just goes on like really low volume. Really difficult to. Yeah, well, I got today. That's all it was. I just wasn't good enough. Spent money. If I were to be able to place all the blame on overeating last night for my poor performance, that was a $600 dinner. Well, anyways, that's the day. I'm going to wrap it there. I end up getting down to minus, I'm only down 520 right here. I get down to minus 800. I make a little bit back. It's just same stupidity. Just stupidity. Stupidity, stupidity, stupidity. But that's okay. I made adjustments today. I followed the adjustments. I'm going to make adjustments tomorrow. Follow the adjustments and get better little by little. Still, as always, I'm your man, Nick. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching. Remember, day trading's risky. You could lose money and have not a fun day like today. Most day traders do lose money. Trading is very counterintuitive. Even when you've been doing it for a long time, like myself, you can lose money. And sometimes you just lose a lot of money. I don't know. Take it from me, especially in this mood that I'm in, trading is difficult. Anyways, peace out, guys. Thank you for watching.